afternoon. Today we're going to learn how to blind bake a crust. We're making a quiche later, and so we need to blind bake the crust. Quiche, you always have to blind bake the crust because it's a liquid that you're going to be putting in there. Okay, so the first thing we could do is get some wax paper. Make sure that it's about the same size as your container, like that. Now, I'm cheating here, and I'm using a little store-bought pie crust just because I wanted quiche today and I had one left over, so that's what we're using today. Okay, very simple. Okay, take this and cut it open. And unroll it like so. Get it into your quiche pan as best you can. Might have to stretch it a bit so it'll go all the way up. Okay, and kind of take it with your fingers. Make sure that it's actually going all the way up. Don't make any holes. Okay, and then we get this one. And this one. See how I'm pushing that over so that it is all over. Take this one. And this one we're going to have to stretch it a little bit. Again, don't make any holes. Stretch this one a bit. No holes. No holes. Okay. Bring these up. Sure this is all the way to the edge. Okay. Now, we take, you can use parchment paper or wax paper. Sometimes, like, depending on what I want to do, they're both fine. You kind of move your finger around here so that's nice like that. And then we're going to put, I have lentils. You can use beans. You can use pie weights, whatever you want. I just happen to have lentils. And I've been using these for a while, so that's good. Okay, now this is ready. All we have to do is put it in the oven, and we'll come back when it's completed. Okay, now we have the ingredients for the inside of the quiche, and we're going to get that together. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add to this bowl 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of cream. It's a very simple ratio, real easy. Why is my cream acting like this? Sometimes you gotta shake things up. Okay, there we go. And it's, even though it looks strange, it's fine. It just got strange in my refrigerator. Such things happen. Alright, so we add the cream to the milk. And we start cracking the eggs into there. Put this stuff aside. Onion, mushroom, bacon, cheese, spices. We'll get to those in a moment. And we go. 1. 2. 3. And 4. Okay. Push my hand off. Go to the bowl. Take a whisk to this. Try not to make a mess like I just did. It's okay. All right. Add a little bit of spice to this. We have our nut grater. Just take a little bit of nutmeg, whole nutmeg. Please use whole nutmeg and not the dried stuff because this has flavor. The other one's going to taste like cardboard. 9 because it's divisible by 3. Okay? I'm a 3 person. Oh dear. Stir that in. And a little pinch of cayenne. Okay. That's stirred in. And then we're going to add the cheese. This is a combination of white cheddar and Parmesan and feta. That in there. Go to a regular stirrer because just regular stirrer.
Your fish timer is done.
1 moment. Alexa, stop. Okay. And we're going to add the onions. These will fully cook inside the quiche. They don't have to be pre-cooked. And the mushrooms and the bacon. I'm going to stir it all up. It looks really good. I can't wait to eat this. It's going to be delicious. And get that away. And here's our shell that we baked earlier. And we're just going to pour this in nicely. And you want to distribute this around so that it's not all in one clump. All right. And that's going to go in the oven, and when it's ready, I'll take it out and you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to clean that up. The quiche is out of the oven. It smells absolutely amazing. I can't wait till it cools off. I'm going to have some for dinner. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.